tuloy ang laban sa tanghalan. Everyone, thank you!
Hello everyone, I am Sarah Munay and I am one of the ensemble members of Gregorio Lacambini, a Pinoy pop musical.
Hi, ako po si Sofia Sakaging, isa sa mga ansam ng Gregorio Lacambini Pinay Pop Musical.
Hi, I'm Annika Klo and I will be playing the role of Laya in Sayaw ng Mga Ilaw.
Hello po, my name is Winston Jamiana. I will be playing the role of Laya in
I'm Nanding Joseph. I'm the Artistic Director of Tanghalang Pilipino.
Ngayon po ay nagpe-prepare kami for our tech run ng season launch excerpt namin. Hulaan niyo kung ano yung ipo-perform namin sa season launch. Char. So ayun, may kanya-kanya lang kaming business. Si Sofia, naggumagawa na siya ng kanyang base makeup. Si Anya, siya yung nagbe-braids kay Ina. Si Merlin, ayan, sa boots niya. Ako, naghihintay lang ako na i-braid ako ng aming hairstylist number 1. Si Merlin din yun. Senior hairstylist.
Kailangan fully prepared yung mind and soul and body ko. So yung preparation ko nagsa-start pa lang sa bahay. Self-affirmation, you can do great, girl. You can do it. You're powerful. You're a wonderful woman. You are chosen for this piece. Ganun.
For me, my routine is usually just doing my makeup. Doing my makeup, vocalizing some more to like warm my voice up. And if I ever eat lunch or drink water, I will also do lip trills in order to like ensure na parang hindi pa like natutulog yung boses ko or late.
So I'll probably have like a super light, like not even lunch, like just a snack because I can't be burping on stage. And I'll probably take some meds because I'm so sick. And you know, so favor to what she said, the lip trills. I don't know. I'm not the best at lip trills. So what I do is I take my water bottle and then I put just a little bit of water in it, and then I kind of like blow into the straw while having like singing tunes. So they're great SOVT exercises. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I'm just so chronically online. That's how I know. That's why I know what that is. But yeah.
Lacambini is a rerun. Gusto ko pa rin mapanood. Pero excited ako sa bago, yung dalawang baget. Nandito yung isa. Kung mapanood yung dalawa, doon sa bagong production, Sayaw ng Mga Ilaw. Ako scared doon sa aming play na Ricardo Segundo. Kasi nga, matagal na ako hindi nakapag-perform. And I'm sure I'll have long Shakespearean lines na tinagalog ni Gilan. So, mas scared more than excited ako doon sa Ricardo Segundo.
Kasi it's TP40, so imagine mo 4 na dekada na yung tanghalang Pilipino. Tapos, there's a lot to look back on and a lot to look forward to. So, excited ako for our supporters to know kung ano yung mga ihahain namin for this season. Tapos, merong isang bagong original work na musical din, so nakaka-excite. And then, meron kaming Shakespeare play. So,
Ako, yung challenge na hindi lang kami tinitrain to become professional actors. Meron din kasing challenge na binibigay sa amin yung PT to be part of production. So, likod ng stage, dun ako na-excite kasi parang nino-nurture yung other skills namin. Hindi lang kami sa stage. Yun yung sobrang excited ako kasi basta, malalaman nyo na lang.
Of course, I'm looking forward to launching Sayaw ng Mga Ilaw. I'm so excited. Watch it, guys. Watch it. It's gonna be great. You know, I'm excited because this is the 40th anniversary. Like, wow, what an achievement. So I'm just so excited to, you know, launch all of these amazing shows and celebrate the 40th anniversary of Tanghalang Pilipino.
I am also excited about the launching of Sayo ng Mga Ilaw and PP40 in general because this is a new production other than the play that I did in Sandasay ng Sapatos. It was the 38th season. But other than that, I'm also looking forward to singing with Annika, like sharing the stage with her because, yes.
Yung fast forward na pinag-usapan namin sa Artistic Committee at saka sa Executive Committee ng Tanghalang Pilipino that because we're celebrating our 40th year, importante to look back doon sa ano yung nagawa ng Tanghalang Pilipino for the last 40 years and tingnan kung ano naging relevance artistically and in terms of content, in terms of values. Pagkatapos, kailangan mapag-desisyonan ano yung accomplishment presently at ano yung dapat na gawin ng Tanghalang Pilipino para maituloy yung pagtulong sa discovery and promotion and honing of the artistic potential so the artist, pati yung pagiging relevant ng content at saka pati yung aming ginagawang pagtulong para sa development ng human values through both our productions and our workshops and training programs.
Oh my gosh. Growth.
Extravagant. Alam niyo meaning nun? Check thesaurus. Hindi ko na sasabihin.
Magical.
Probably culture because everything is so deeply rooted in, Philippine history. I'm just so excited to get into that because I feel like most of the plays in the Philippines are, English. So I just love that we're embracing our own culture and, just being proud of it.
Everyone sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta at naniniwala sa pinaglalaban ng Tanghalang Pilipino, suportahan niyo po kami sa darating na season PP40 Fast Forward. Tuloy ang laban sa Tanghalan. Everyone, thank you!
Hello everyone! We're inviting you to watch Sayo ng Mga Ilaw.
It is showing on late September to October. So if ever you want to watch, just buy some tickets.
You won't waste your money. It's a good
Yes,
it's a good
it's
watch.
a good show.
Make sure to watch it. We'll see you there. See you.
Gusto namin kayo imbitahin. Samahan kami sa buong season ng Tanghalang Pilipino, ang TP40, na ang theme ay Fast Forward. At palagi ko mag-enjoy kayo dun sa mga productions. Kasama na yung assignment theater production ng Farewell, yung Sayo ng Ilaw, at saka yung rerun ng Gregorio Lacambini, at saka yung aming bagong production ng Ricardo Segundo. I think first time na gagawin sa Philippine Theater ng Ricardo Segundo. Wala pa yatang local theater na nag-produce ng Ricardo Segundo. So sana makasama namin kayo lahat, pumunta kayo dito sa Manila para makapanood kayo ng aming mga production sa aming 40th season. Yun lang, maraming salamat.